The name of the Iranian fishing vessel which was recently rescued by Indian Navy from pirates. What is Devon AI? The world's first AI software engineer. What is the theme of World Autism Awareness Day 2024? Empowering autistic voices. Judith Suman-Watuluka became the first woman prime minister of which country? Congo. What is the theme of International Mining Awareness Day 2024? Protecting lives, building peace. Recently, which country conducted the joint naval exercise with US, Australia and Japan? Philippines. Which country reported the highest number of doping cases in the world? India. Recently, which country declared a national emergency on drug abuse? Sierra Leone. What are shallow fakes? Pictures, videos, and voice clips created without the help of AI. What is the theme of International Day of Sports for Development and Peace 2024? Sport for the promotion of peaceful and inclusive societies. Oceanic Niño Index, ONI, is released by which organization? National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Recently, which country ended diplomatic ties with Ecuador? Mexico. Simon Harris recently became the new Prime Minister of which country? Ireland. Clean Economy Investor Forum will be organized in which country in June 2024? Singapore.